With crypto crashing for the third day in a row, Cardano is not immune and is officially broken down outside of this structure support. I am expecting moves down, but the only question at this point is how far are we heading? Let's find out in this video. Before we get into it though, I want to let you know our members have access to 5 total trades right now. All 5 of them are open. This comes with a 15 win, 0 loss trading record, hopefully soon to be 20 wins, 0 losses. So if you want to join up on those trades with us, be sure to grab a membership at the link in the description. More on that later, but for now, let's check out the charts. I'm going to take you to the Trade Confident.io website where we are going to head to the Cardano metrics. Now, the first metric we're looking at is the Cardano Emotional Index. After this significant drop in price, we honestly haven't seen as much of a drop in emotional sentiment as I expected. We're still in neutral territory, whereas a lot of other coins have fallen into anxious or even fearful territories. What this may tell you as a trader is that, as of right now, Cardano may actually have plenty of more room to fall, unfortunately. You've heard the saying, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Well, with traders feeling neutral, it's not quite there yet, and we could be seeing those moves down soon. Heading on over to the volatility breakout detector for Cardano, this simply confirms it. While there is less volatility in the market with this slightly sideways movement, you'll see in the live charts we have actually dropped from here. This tells me that volatility is likely to continue on, and based on where the chart is heading, I think that volatility is going to move downwards. Heading on down to the Cardano Whale Smart Money metric, you should know that where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and as of right now, there is more long trade sentiment in Cardano for the first time since early or mid-March here. There's a lot of long trade sentiment in the market right now, but it is not quite enough yet. We're looking for a metric value of around 800 to 1,000 before the price begins heading back up. And what this tells me is, despite there being a little bit of long trade sentiment, we're not quite there yet and could be expecting further moves down. Heading on over to the Cardano major support and resistance levels, we have officially crashed below the 41 and 42 cent structure. Now they're resistances, but they were support just a few days ago. And the next one we're going to be looking at is 34.54 cents right here. This is going to be a major structure support that I'm going to be looking at even in the live charts. You'll see other structure supports that I need everyone to be paying attention to too that are not linear, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And heading on into the Cardano long versus short trade charts, we're actually seeing long trades enter the market, and this is really interesting. This comes right around this range right here. We saw a crazy pump up in price, however, the price has dropped. This tells me that whale traders are mainly the one dropping the price of Cardano, and because of that, I'm expecting further moves down too. Continuing on now to the Cardano daily trade scanner, we have not seen a signal yet, but as the price drops, I will be looking for a buy signal as we saw back here to precede the next move up. Again, as it did back there, this move will be pretty significant, but I'm not expecting it quite yet, so stay tuned. You're going to want to have access to this daily trade scanner to find that buy signal. If you want to get access to this metric and the rest of them on Cardano, these are going to be extremely important to pay attention to when you're trying to catch the reversal for Cardano. If you want to get access to those trade setups, those future forecast videos, and many more features, you can sign up for a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link here. Go ahead and click that. From here, you're going to want to grab the full access membership for $59 a month. This will give you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, the scalping trade calls, future forecast videos, and many more features as well. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Cardano on the 1-day time frame using the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder price versus one money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. What I'm seeing right now is trend exhaustion is right in the middle of its chart, not even hitting the bottom red section despite the monumental crash we've experienced over the past few days. With that, price versus one money flow recently topped out at the same time as the trend exhaustion and is heading down as well. As long as you're seeing this green line heading down, I personally expect the price to continue moving down, because you heard me say earlier, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. The RSI, stochastic, and MACD are all pointing bearish, with all 3 moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200, all pointing upwards. So Cardano is kind of in a transitionary period. We could start seeing this momentum slow down, but I do not expect it to stop yet. Now you see this rising wedge pattern indicated by an ascending resistance and an ascending support line. Now there is one more line I need us to pay attention to here, and that goes from the very bottom, the strong buy down there, the bottom of Cardano actually, and it leads to right about here with a second touch right here, right at that buy signal. Now you're going to see something interesting here. If I take a horizontal horizontal line, and I set it right around that 34-cent mark that I showed you on the support and resistance chart on the metrics. You'll see multiple touches right here, over here. It crossed through it right here, couple touches right here, one right here, and you'll see that it perfectly intersects right here on this previous ascending support line that we just created. This is a significant target for whales and any other retail traders in the market, and personally, I think the price of Cardano is going to magnetize to that area. This would put Cardano at 34.62 cents right here, right at the end of April, beginning of May. From the current price, this is going to drop us about 3 cents. And this might not sound like much, but this actually equates to nearly a 9% drop in Cardano. And this comes, if we go to the peak, this would in total be a nearly 25% drop in Cardano. This is absolutely insane. So anyone that's trading Cardano, you gotta watch out for this one. At the same time, if you're looking for an entry in Cardano, right around the 34.62 cent mark could be a fantastic entry. As we approach this mark, we will keep you updated. This is gonna be extremely important to cover for Cardano. And in the meantime, as this plays out, you're going to want to grab these indicators, and I can get them to you for up to $400 off right now. If you wanna grab these discounted indicators, go ahead and check out the links in the description down below. Scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. The indicator bundle pack will be the one you want to choose. This comes with the trend and exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard indicators, as well as multiple other ones for you to use, and it will come with a $400 off coupon. Let me show you how to grab it real quick. It's super easy. Just click the checkout link. It'll bring you to the bundle and save 9 indicator exclusive discount page. This is valued at over $2,000, and we're giving it to you for $400 instead. All you got to do is click I want this, fill out your information here, enter your zip code. I'm just going to use a fake one real quick. Going to click pay, and then this will give you the option to add the TC top and bottom finder for only $349, even though it's normally $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Just click add to cart and follow the prompts from there. The indicators will be yours, and you are going to crush this market. One last time, my target for Cardano is 34.62 cents at the end of April. Around April 30th is where we're expecting that. Grab the indicators if you want to keep up. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.